Hi guys, I'm here with my buddy Noman. He works for IBS Budapest. He's the regional manager. He was born in Pakistan, moved to Abu Dhabi, then to Budapest. I want to know from him that what were the challenges he faced, or what is the experience of Noman like that when he was coming here, and what kind of advice or conversation he would like to share with the audience of our channel to give out the advices that how one can maybe build up a life here.
Thank you so much for the introduction. So basically, I'll be honest with you. The first challenge and the most important one I faced was that I never thought of moving abroad. And with not having that thought, when I actually came to the idea and this idea came to fruition that I will actually go and study somewhere abroad and then work there in turn as well. So I did my degree as well from here, by the way. And when I moved here, the first challenge that I was thinking of was the finances. The second challenge that came to my head was the visa. And I'll be honest with you, both of these challenges were not that difficult as they might have seemed to me initially. And consultants always are great help, when it comes to that. And my life was made easy when I came through them. The system is not that difficult. The visa success, especially in our part of the Asian region, it's pretty good. And those challenges that seemed like challenges to me at a point in time did not seem like one, and they are a memory of the past now. And I feel when I actually came and studied here and I did my master's degree, I think as a professional, and that change that I did in my life was also a game changer. And now I feel that I'm in a much better place. And I recommend this to all those students because I have actually lived through it all.
Perfect. So, do you consider yourself a horse, an elephant, or a camel, or the knight? What do you feel?
I think I think I started off as a camel.
Okay.
But now that I'm here, I live like a knight.
You live like a knight. Where is the knight?
But the knight has gone because I'm here. You don't need a knight.
Here is the knight.
And there you go.
So Mr. Norman is the knight. Perfect.
Yeah. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Norman. Here it is for you guys. Go ahead, log on to www.matchmyuni.com and change life like Noman Bhai just did. So let's go.
Thank you.